Look at this day. Look at this absolutely beautiful day with this gorgeous freaking road glide, man. Look at this thing. So anyway, today, oh, you see my little 107 stage 2. There you go. Nice, looks good. Clutch is all done. We got the hardened ramp installed as well. And today, because it's an absolutely phenomenally beautiful day for November, we have to take advantage of it. I'm going to take you guys up into Harriman State Park, up into Bear Mountain. We're going to hit some twisties. We're going to do a little highway, grab a cup of coffee, and I'm going to tell you guys how the clutch feels. I got to give you guys a cold start. Come on. Oh, what's the matter, buddy? A little feisty. Easy there, easy there. All right, so let's start her up. Listen to that thing. Keep going, buddy. Listen to that thing. Come on, come on. There's nothing that sounds better than a Harley. I don't care. I love sport bikes. I love all other bikes, but come on. Come on. Listen to that thing. Thing is sitting vicious, +2 front and back suspension. Got the Kraus T-bar set up. I got my heated gear on. It's, I don't know, it's about 50 degrees, but might need it when we get up into Bear Mountain. Look at him. Hey, crazy dog. That's a crazy dog. Grabbing good, and when I apply a lot of throttle or all throttle, it's holding well. Bang the left here. This is a really nice twisty road up into Bear Mountain over here, Harriman State Park. I'll take you guys on it right now. bike pulls all the way until like 6,200 RPM. Suspension is really, really firm, but it's not that hard where, you know, your body starts aching, but it's firm. And if you want a bike to handle great around the twisties, the suspension has to be firm. Just handles so well with this +2 suspension. This whole area is just beautiful. Bike just handles so much better. High quality suspension equals great handling, I'm telling you, even for a Harley. No issues so far. Like I'm taking, this is like a big time lean angle here. Oh yeah, it hits hard. It definitely hits hard. Because when I pop it into second, I just feel the whole bike just catapult forward. Before you didn't feel that. Look at the ice right there. Take a picture. another bike. There you go. It definitely holds. It definitely holds. I just romped on it in first and it holds. It just goes. You got to hang on. The clutch pull, yes, it's definitely harder to pull in than stock. So if you're going, and these are the blue springs rated for up to 160 horsepower. I don't have a problem with it, but some people might, so just keep that into consideration. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, look at this. What's great about this bike too, with these bars and these mid controls, I can stand up on the thing like an ADV bike. And so far so good with the clutch. It's really smooth. Okay, let's go over the compensator. So somebody was asking also, does it take away a little bit of that clunk? It actually does. And I'm assuming, and maybe Evolution Industries could chime in on this one, maybe it's because they're different metals, or it's a different metal than the metal that the outside of the compensator hits against. I'm just assuming, because it is quieter now. You know, maybe they could answer that question, but it definitely is quieter. The clutch freaking grabs like a beast, like it did on Silverback. I also hinted in the previous video that maybe we might get some more power. Yeah, we just might. So stay tuned. But we're set for it. We're set for it. Yeah, it definitely holds. Yeah. Let's see a second gear dump. Yep, it just roasts the tires. It just roasts the tire. Look how beautiful. Yeah, it just holds. Let's take this turn. Second gear. Yeah, it just smokes the tire. Definitely holds. What's this guy riding? That's the ultimate test, and to make sure obviously the clutch is holding. You don't want to obviously do that, but I do it because I want to make sure that it's holding. As you guys see, the bike, the ass end, all squirrely, and I left, I don't know, about good 15-20 foot patches, and it's definitely holding. Because I want to make sure. I don't want to be out somewhere far and then see that it's not holding, because then you're kind of screwed. At least now I'm close to home. If I do have to make an adjustment or anything, but everything is absolutely perfect. And mind you, I knew it wasn't going to slip, because this is just such a heavy duty performance clutch, and rated for so much power. You know, Mad Max only has about 116, 117 horsepower, so I wasn't worried about it. I knew it wasn't going to slip. Cycle Fanatix will be in Daytona Bike Week in March. That is going to be the first long trip of the 2023 riding season. We will be in Daytona. Sounds wicked, wicked, boys, wicked. Look at all that ice. silverback, but she's fast. I like the bike so much better though because of everything else together. Baby, that Chrome Werks 2-to-1 Outlaw. Ho, 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 ho.